Hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all of the crazy things that I seem to step on. It is Monday. What's the day? Monday, the 27th of July. Absolutely crazy. And I had a question come in over the weekend, and I thought that I would do a video today on Monday for you. And that question is, hey, Anthony, how do I know what I should, what genre to get into for voiceover? What genre should I go after in voiceover? What types of voiceovers should I go after? So I think this is a great question, and I want to dive into it with you because I remember when I started, I literally thought that, I knew for a fact that I was going to be a video game voice actor. I wanted to do video games. And, that was my thing. So I literally started emailing Blizzard. I laugh because it's funny thinking back, and I emailed Blizzard's contact support, not just like for the video for their games. I don't know whoever was in the support team saying, "Who's this guy keep emailing me for voiceovers?" But anyways, so I knew for a fact I wanted to do video game characters, right? That's what I was doing. And I also thought it'd be really cool to do audiobooks. And the funny thing is I thought that I would never, ever do commercials. I'd listen to some commercial demos, and I was like, I'm never going to do commercials. That's just not me. I'm not interested in commercials. I love audiobooks. I could possibly, I want to do video games, maybe videos or maybe I could do e-learning maybe, but, I want to stick with those. And, as time marched on, I do about 95% all commercials. And it's funny, and I absolutely love it now. But when I first started out, I was totally on the opposite end. I was totally wrote it off. I never thought I could do what I was hearing other people do. And the funny thing is what happened to me was I realized at one point through this journey of mine that I was selling myself short and thinking that people wouldn't want me for me, wouldn't want to work with me the way I express myself. You know what I mean? The way I express emotion. Instead, they want what they hear, what I hear as these, fancy demos. And, and when I say fancy demos, at the time, to me, those were the demos where the big commercial type, radio spot kind of demos. You know what I mean? Like, 8 o'clock p.m. at night, TV commercial spots, all that kind of stuff. I was like, man, that's just not me. I just don't sound like that. And it's now I do all sorts of commercials for things like that. I even do commercials for news channels, I do commercials for everybody, for small businesses, big business. It doesn't matter. But the reason why I bring this up to you is because, the question that we're trying to talk about today is, what do I get into? How do I know which genre I should be in? And I'm going to tell you that you should actually taste everything, right? You should try everything. You should give everything a shot. You give audiobooks a shot. Give e-learning a shot. Give video game characters a shot. Give commercials a shot. Give radio a shot. Give videos a shot. Give phone messaging a shot. Whatever is out there, give it a taste. Try it out. Okay? It doesn't hurt you. And you might find that the market really likes what you're doing in this genre over here, and you never realized or you never thought it was even possible. But if you limit yourself and say, oh, I'm never going to do that, or oh, I'm not good at that, or I shouldn't try that, all right, you're going to end up like me, emailing Blizzard's customer support asking for voiceover opportunities, and wondering, well, I'm never going to succeed in this business, right? So don't be like me, okay? Put yourself out there, give it a shot, okay? And there's nothing wrong with making mistakes, and there's nothing wrong with that. But the important thing is that you have to try. So if you're looking for what genre of voiceover to get into, okay, my answer to that is give everything a try. See what the market likes you at. If you find that you're getting hired for this thing over here, but you really want to do this thing over here, that's fine. Do both. Don't turn down, the market where they want to pay you, where they like where you are, to follow this dream. Follow this dream, but also do the work over here. And maybe this work you'll enjoy some and it'll help you pay to follow this one, because we might want to do something that takes a little bit more training. You know what I mean? Or building a little bit more relationships than maybe getting it over here or whatever. But the idea here is that try everything. Don't limit yourself. See what the market really likes you doing, what you're being hired for, and use that to your advantage, even if it's not the end thing that you want to do, you want to do completely, right? I mean, the reality is that most of us have to do a variety of work in order to make a good income in this business. So don't shy away from doing, work when it's being sent to you. Okay, give it all a shot. And then, see what the market thinks of it. All right. I hope that helps. I know this is a short video, but I get this question, and I think it's important to put yourself out there. Give it all a try. Don't limit yourself. Okay? Don't limit yourself. Now, I don't mean to say, just keep putting stuff out there after a while and nothing's happening, but I'm saying give everything a taste. Give it a shot. All right, make samples, listen to other people's work, try to build your skill set in these different areas. You never know where you'll end up in the end, kind of like me, where I thought I would never do something over here, and now I end up doing pretty much everything over here. Because I never thought it would happen. And the first thing I started out with doing all these audiobooks, I don't do audiobooks anymore. Okay, so, very rarely do I do audiobooks now. It just happens that way. But you won't ever know if you don't try. All right, I hope this helps. I hope you put yourself out there, give it a shot, see what the market tells you, have fun, but try everything. All right, you guys, thank you so much. Happy Monday. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.